is the other way around. Anytime you push, it's pull. Anytime you pull, it's push. Anyway, good morning. Look at this. Look at the little water fountain. Look at the sun, look at the gardens, look at the flowers. We are out here. Oh my. Anyway, good morning from Marrakech. If you want to follow along with everything that's happened up to this point, then you can watch this video. I think it will be here, or yeah, the previous video, wherever. And yeah, I've left my hotel, which I only stayed in for one night, because I got here yesterday. But all of my mates are arriving today. It's about 10 of them actually. We've got some massive castle villa. So I need to go and get some coffee because they've just landed, and by the time I've had my coffee, they should be ready. And yeah, then I'm gonna head over to the villa. Hello? Do they stop for the zebra crossings? Hello? No one's stopping? What's going on? How do we cross? Stop! Go, 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 go. You gotta run. You gotta run. No one's stopping. You gotta run. It's every man for themselves out here. It says I'm here, but yeah. Wow. Okay. There's a lot going on over here. It says we're here. Okay, I have absolutely no idea where to go, what to do. I need to call my mates, I guess. 20. Ooh. Yeah. 20. Is it around there? Wow. Okay, we're in the ends. We are in the ends. This is number 6. We're looking for number 20. Right. 20. Surely it's not down there. Oh no, I don't think it is down there. 20. Okay. Right, I bet I need to call one of my mates. Can't be down there. Wow, we're in the ends. We are in the ends. We're in the ends. Let's get out of this alleyway, but I think there's a bit of houses. Pick up, pick up. now's not the time to not pick up. Oh, so much going on. Yeah. Yo, babe. Yo, yo, yo. Can you hear me? Oh, there's no signal. This is 6 for 20. On Google Maps it says I'm here. Come on, pick up, pick up, pick up. Hey, babe.
We're walking down to get you.
There's
No,
like,
you're not on the road I thought you were.
there's like,
Come back to the shops.
there she is. You didn't ask for ice! You didn't ask for ice! How far was I supposed to fill it to? You're not welcome. It's the savoury bit. I like together. I like all of the things you listed separately. We ain't in McDonald's anymore. Professional, look at this. It's not splashing anywhere.
Yeah, how good is that?
If I did it, it would be going over there. That was actually really spectacular.
I think it was a perfect club. It was a perfect club.
That was spectacular.
Like, you had a bit for everyone.
Yeah. That was simply spectacular. Did I what?
You know the remix?
Oh, I heard it. I was just coming because that was the point where me and Joanne, because I went down and I was trying to get the words on the screen, but I heard it.
Had so much screen time.
Yeah, Ahmed had so much screen time as well.
I was like, Joey, I was like,